What is going on, folks? It is your boy Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and as you can see today we are talking about Shiba Inu. This coin has gained so much hype recently. Of course, we are in a downward trend. We're going to talk about the price action, what's going on with that, where I think we are headed in terms of price action. We're going to look at the coin market cap. We're going to go through the Twitter as well as the Reddit and talk about some things that I've been seeing that have given me much more confidence in this cryptocurrency. We're going to get into all of that in this video. So if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button, throw a like on the video, comment down below about either Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency that you are into. I'm going to keep this brief, guys. If you're new to investing or if you're looking for a new brokerage to invest with, description below there's a Webull affiliate link. When you sign up and deposit $100, you get some free stocks and it really helps out the channel. Shiba Inu. Guys, so many people have been commenting, asking me what is going on with this cryptocurrency. Why are we on such a bad downward trajectory after we reached those all-time highs and we have just been falling steadily? Folks, when you run up in a cryptocurrency like this, you're always going to see some type of correction. Of course, we saw that right around here. I think that's about where we saw that first correction, and then it dipped down even a little bit more. But what I like seeing is that there were areas of support, good consolidation. Here it's a little bit downwards, but again, nothing crazy, not like the first dip. So we were consolidating quite a bit, and then boom, out of nowhere, Elon Musk tweets this whole thing about the crypto market, in particular Bitcoin, and it just sent this thing spiraling downwards. We were seeing some coins, some very established coins such as Bitcoin Cash and even Litecoin, coins that haven't been in this game for a very long time, drop almost 50%. Bitcoin going down as low as 30 in the 30,000s, and even now, it's teetering a little bit between the high 30s and low 40s. So whenever I see the whole market doing poorly, I don't like to focus on one cryptocurrency in particular. This thing has a huge following. I think it'll bounce back, and it's just a matter of time. Of course, these are just my thoughts and opinions. So if we look at the 7-day chart here, quite honestly, not, whenever you take a look and step back and you say, wow, okay, look at those all-time highs, how far we've fallen. Then you look at the 7-day chart and you're like, to be quite honest, it's not as terrible as it seems. Yes, compared to the all-time highs, we are down quite a bit. But guys, it looks like we're consolidating pretty nicely. I am loving, actually loving, yes, you heard that right, this 1-day chart. Not a bad trajectory whatsoever. Folks, I've said this so many different times on my channel. When cryptocurrencies and even stocks go up, I get worried. When's the dip coming? When's the sell-off coming? And whenever it's dipping, I'm like, okay, now I have to think about, is this a good buying opportunity? How far are we going to dip to where I think I should buy in? These are questions that are tough to answer, but when we're consolidating, moving sideways, I love it because I get to kick back and watch where it's going to go. If we have positive catalysts, usually that means that we're going to go up. Negative catalysts, yes, unfortunately, that means we're going to go down. I think some interesting things are on the horizon when it comes to Shiba Inu. It's just a matter of time, and we have to be patient about it. Let's go ahead and look at let's just look at the analytics here, right? Market cap, $3.7 billion. This thing is just crazy. And then the fully diluted market cap, obviously we're sitting at $9.6 billion. The 24-hour volume, in my opinion, a very healthy $2 billion. So guys, a lot of moving parts when it comes to Shiba Inu. Moving on to the market cap here, and I always like looking at the most visited cryptocurrencies on coin market cap. Shiba Inu just absolutely manhandling that #1 spot. Shiba Inu, sorry, not #1 spot, #2 spot. Shiba Inu was #1 for quite some time, but with the huge sell-off with Bitcoin, it did jump off to #1. So people have been looking it up because Bitcoin, it's one of those stable things. Not a lot of people, not a lot of traction in terms of people looking it up in particular. Just people invest in it and think of it as a more safe investment when it comes to cryptocurrency. So Shiba Inu was #1, slipped down to #2 after this sell-off, but that's still okay. We're still sitting at very healthy. Anything in the top 5 always garners a lot of attention. We're up here with Safemoon, Dogecoin, and Ethereum, and obviously Bitcoin sitting at that #1 spot. So we are with good company here, chilling at #2. I love to see it. Onto the SHIB Twitter. Guys, if you want confidence in a cryptocurrency, follow their Twitter. I mean, look at these guys. 444,000 followers. And on top of that, if you just scroll through this thing, you will get so much confidence in this cryptocurrency. Just so many coin listings. It's crazy. Exchange listings, excuse me. Look at this. Another exchange. So many exchange. I mean, it's like every other post seems to be an exchange that's listing Shiba Inu. So guys, this thing seems as if it's the real deal. And one thing that I have seen like crazy that has really given me a lot of confidence in this cryptocurrency is the fact that these exchanges are actually pushing this thing, folks. Crypto.com, one of the biggest exchanges right now, has been advertising about Shiba Inu so much on every single platform, whether it be Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. I'm seeing it everywhere. I literally just got an ad right before I made this video about how you can invest in Shiba Inu on Crypto.com. So it's absolutely insane how much this thing is being pushed. Of course, I have to give a big shout out to the Reddit page. I mean, look at this. As soon as something is posted on Twitter, it's posted on Reddit and it always gets hyped up. So this community, guys, it's very tight knit. I really recommend, if you're not already, spend some time on the Reddit page, spend some time on the Discord page, because there are a lot of moving parts, like I said, and these guys mean business. Folks, of course, obviously, these are risky investments. I want you guys to go out, do your own research when it comes to every single cryptocurrency I talk about on this channel. Because obviously, things can go down to absolutely nothing. With the huge run up that we've seen already, and the pretty much the slamming that we're getting right now in cryptocurrency, it's a weird time in the market. So I really want you guys to be careful when investing. Go out, do your own research. This is definitely not financial advice. I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I am into, and full transparency, I am not yet invested in Shiba Inu, but this is just one of those plays where I'm looking at this dip here and I'm like, I'm asking myself those questions. Hey, how much lower are we going to run? When am I going to be able to buy in? Because I am extremely interested in buying into this thing, because just based off of all the exchange listing, folks, and everything that I'm seeing on the Discord, and how the dev team is so tight knit, the community is so tight knit, always looking out for each other's backs, those are the types of things that give me a lot of confidence in a cryptocurrency. And so for me, looking into the future, I think that those types of catalysts where we see the dev team working together, where we see the community really pushing this thing, whether it be Reddit, whether it be Twitter, whether it be Discord, I think those are what instill a lot of confidence in us, and those types of catalysts are going to make us have an upward trajectory. What I want to see first and foremost is the 7-day chart flattening out a little bit more. I want to see some consolidation. The 1-day chart, this looks perfect to me, like I said before. If we can get a 7-day chart that looks like this, and then a few catalysts down the line, I think this thing really could have an upwards trajectory. Of course, these are just my thoughts and opinions. But look here, I mean, obviously we can't really talk about how this thing just absolutely boomed. But even for that short amount of time, right before we had the absolute boom here, an area of consolidation. Then we had this boom, and then we had this dip because people were taking profits. Whatever your opinion about that is, you gotta admit that these people that were investing, thousands of dollars and made millions of dollars, it's not a bad idea to take profits up there. Obviously, they looked at their portfolio and they had to make some very serious and tough decisions. And that's what we saw here. And we saw this dip, and just a little bit more of a dip here because people started, I think, panic selling a little bit. They were saying, "Oh, how far can this thing really go in terms of how far can this dip really go?" And then we saw another sell-off, and then it was consolidating, folks. I mean, just look at this graph. We were doing okay, and then Elon Musk decides to come out here, and all the cryptocurrencies ended up getting slammed, like I talked to you guys about before. And Shiba Inu was no different. There's a lot of other cryptocurrencies that I've talked about on this channel, and they followed this exact same trajectory. All the small market cap coins and even the large market cap coins got absolutely slammed. And so, guys, I'm just looking for this area of consolidation once again. I thought that we were going to break out once again back here, May 16th up until May 18th, right before the reckoning. I thought we were going to break out. I thought some good things were going to happen because we were consolidating, but that's okay. Now we just look for another area of consolidation, more support, and potentially blowing up. Obviously, a lot of people told me in my comment section, hey, the market cap doesn't matter. I'm a market cap guy, guys. I love looking at market caps. That's like my thing. It's like, okay, I look at the price. I don't really take the token burning into consideration, which I really should. But I'm like, how far do we have to run? If this thing can catch up to Dogecoin, guys, look at this. Dogecoin is sitting at a $50 billion market cap. I mean, Dogecoin's market cap is like comparable to some of the really big cryptocurrencies, like XRP, for example, or like BNB even. So Dogecoin has quite a bit of market cap. Obviously, you know, all the hype that's going on with Dogecoin really pushed this thing upwards. I think Shiba Inu, and guys, again, just an opinion here. I think Shiba Inu can catch up to Dogecoin if we just start garnering that same hype that we were getting before when it came to Doge. I think we can really push this market cap way up. So these are the things that I want you guys to take a look at consistently. The market cap of the coin, the price obviously, but more importantly the market cap, and then the volume, of course, and then just take a look, take a step back, look at the graph, and then look for areas of consolidation. That's what I like doing when it comes to my coins. I want to hear all your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. I think I've spoken enough on this one. Let me know what you guys think. Throw a like on this video so we can get it out to more people. If you're new around here, folks, hit that subscribe button. Join the family. More videos on all cryptocurrencies coming soon. And of course, if you watched all the way to the end, you're an absolute legend. Go ahead and click that Webull affiliate link in the description below. Sign up for a Webull account, deposit $100, get yourself some free stocks, and obviously helps out the channel quite a bit. It's your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out. Peace.